Hey y'all, welcome back to It Ain't Cheap. I'm not buying it. So today is my kickoff for Dollar Tree Tuesdays. So let me show you what I went out and I picked up. Now I went to two different Dollar Trees over the weekend, and this is what I found. Now some of this stuff is new to me. It may not be new. You guys may already have this, in your area, but I'm just trying to bring you stuff that I've never went into the Dollar Tree actually looking for. I'm always going into the Dollar Tree just to get my arts and crafts. So, first I'm going to start off with household items. Now these are the extra large storage bags. You guys probably have seen these in your store. I have not picked them up. I always get the big Ziploc ones from Walmart, and they're about $7 or some change. And I don't have one around to actually show you to compare. But I said what I plan on using this bag for, it's just as big enough to store my things. And it's got a really tight seal on it too. So I was paying $7, and I think you get 3 in the box, where I can just buy one for $1. And it's thick. This is thick. So for $1, I will be going back to get some more of these. And you can store your laundry in these when you're on vacation, like your dirty clothes and everything. Put that on in your suitcase. Folds right on up. So I got 2 of these. Definitely good deal. And then I got some vinegar, as you seen my Shop With Me Saturday or Sunday series when I went to the grocery store. Well, I always soak my chicken in vinegar, so I just got some basic vinegar. And I got the chicken wing sauce. This is really, really good. Even though I do make my own sauce, but I didn't feel like doing all that this weekend. So I picked this up. And you can't have chicken wings, buffalo wings, without lemon pepper. This is excellent also if you've never tried this. And I have to have my B12 drink. When I am working, it gives me enough energy to get through my work schedule Monday through Friday. And now we're going to move on to 2 beauty products that I picked up. I got some mousse, and I've never tried this. I use mousse all the time, but I can never find it. See that? So I'm trying these products out right in front of y'all. And then I've got some mascara, the Wet n Wild. I am not an endorser of Dollar Tree, but I love Wet n Wild products. I have been using Wet n Wild products since probably about 15 or 16 when I was first allowed to wear makeup, and I just love them. So I got this in very black. All right. So that was my household items that I picked up. Now, I couldn't go on Dollar Tree without picking up my arts and crafts. So we're going to move on, and that's the next bag I'm pulling out. So, of course, the next Dollar Tree that I went to was my originally one. And I found the adhesive bling wrap, which you guys have seen me work with these. I don't know how many videos I have done, but 9 out of 10, this is always in my video. Now, I got 2 in the blue, the gold, and the pink. And you probably say, wow, what are you making with those different colors? Well, if you go back and you watch how I change these colors, then you will know that it doesn't make a difference of what these colors are. If it's not in the color that you need, I will have the the end screen at the end of this video, and it'll take you back to how I change these out to produce other things that I need in my home. So I got 4 of these. So I got me a monthly planner 2020 in my favorite color, like the fuchsia pink. And this will help me try to be a little bit more organized. Not that I'm not an organized person, because I am very detail oriented. So I just wish that the days of the week had more, lines for you to write down what you need to do, or any collaborations or open invites and videos that I will be doing. I will put them inside this calendar. And I was going to get a smaller one, but I lose things so fast. So I said the big one would be much better for me. Got some Mod Podge. They had ran out of these at both of the Dollar Trees that I've been going to since Christmas. So they finally had these restocked. So I just got one. And they're starting to come back with the bling wrap. So I got 3 of these, and these are the 5 panel, the 5 line panel, because I have a large item that I'm getting ready to bling out, and it was better for me just to get the large one, and that way I don't use so much. So, but yeah, that's what I picked up for this Dollar Tree Tuesday haul and deals. So I hope that you find that my video is informative. If you had wanted to try some of the items that I have picked up, but just, have been hesitant to try it, get out to your Dollar Trees. Take your time while you're in there. There's a lot of hidden gems in the Dollar Tree. You just have to be open to, shop in the Dollar Tree, and you can always find great deals and bargains, and you can make fabulous DIYs from the Dollar Tree. So, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.